Hello everyone, welcome back to the Practically Blind Workshop. Today I'm going to be using some of these scraps of hardwood, all of which have come from old pieces of furniture found in skips or by bins. Whenever I see furniture or any decent pieces of wood thrown away, I will always try and grab it. I'm not sure what woods these are. I know that I've got some oak. This is oak, but I'm not sure what the other bits of wood are. Perhaps if people can identify them from the video, they can put them down in the comments. But yeah, I know that that's definitely oak. All these pieces are oak because they came from the same piece of wood. I'm not sure what that is. Or that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to mill some clean edges on all these pieces of wood and then see what we've got and then start from there. Now that I've milled clean edges on these pieces of hardwood offcuts, I'm going to glue them up into one big chunky block. Now that I've glued it into this block, I've glued it into a chevron pattern, and then now I'm going to cut slices out of it on the chop. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll glue these up in that pattern, and then I'll probably cut some pieces to fill these gaps here and here. So that is all the coasters glued together. I've also made a thicker one which I'm going to use as a base to stack the 6 coasters on top, so that they've all got a home when they're not being used. But first I need to give it all a good sand down. Now I'm just going to sand all the nooks and crannies by hand with some AT and some 120 grit.
Three days later. So after a lot of sanding, I'm finally ready to put some finish on this. And what I've got is this Superior Danish oil.
So I switched to a small brush because the rag was hard work trying to get into all the nooks and crannies. So what I'll do is I'll let that soak in for a minute, and then I'll come back in a minute and wipe off all the excess. And that is some more scrap wood used up. I really quite like how this one turned out. It's sort of got a parquet floor sort of effect going on. But that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.